Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 3 complex number exercise 1 and we are at question number 3 here. So if we just look at the question, we have to find the value of x and y and then the equation is given to us in complex number something. So again, how we have been doing the earlier question, we have to simplify the LHS. We have to simplify the LHS here and so we get an expression with real and imaginary, and then we equate and real and imaginary both sides. We'll get that answer. So we can just look at the solution. It's a very simple question. So the only thing that we have to remember, I think, how we multiply two complex numbers. How we do in the real number binomial terms. X multiplies with 2, x multiplies with minus 3i. So we get 2x minus 3xi, and then iy gets multiplied with. So very normal thing that we do, how we do in a binomial expression. So plus 2yi and then plus 3y because I square is minus 1. And this is equal to 4 plus I. All we have to do is combine the real numbers, real part. So 2x plus 3y and minus 3xi plus 2yi. So equating the real and imaginary part both sides. So we get 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 and minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. We get two equations, two linear equation, two variable, just solve it and get the values of x. That's how we approach. All right. Thank you.